Testing the audio with Tractor Time with Tim. And even after testing the audio, as you can see, I don't have any audio, so something didn't go right. There's my good buddy Tim in my tractor, and here's my good buddy Tim getting out of the tractor, and I'm shaking Tim's hand. There's a lot of thick undergrowth on the left side of my driveway. So mine and Tim's job today was to clear all that out. Here's Tim coming up to me wanting to get in the traco. I told him I'd arm wrestle him for the operator's seat.
Well, here's my ride today.
And here I am after the arm wrestling match, back in the traco, having a lot of fun. So now back to our regularly scheduled program.
This is Pete's first day in an excavator. Shake and bake.
It was cool being able to work with Tim because he and I had a little system in place. I would dig the material up and lay it out in the driveway and get him a pile going. And then he would come and pick it up with the grapple on my tractor and take and put it in the big pile. And we kind of did that all day.
Pete, what are you into there? Oh my goodness. No regards for the cameraman. You know, usually I'm on the other end of this. I'm the one injuring the camera person. Yeah, I'm getting it firsthand. Yeah. Boy, just a little bit, you make that look a lot different.
Well, I'm going to tell you this, next time you come back, you getting a chainsaw.
The threat of the chainsaw is meaning you don't want me to ever come back.
No, don't these hands, come on now. I've been talking junk to him about running the chainsaw all day, and neither one of us got out of the cab.
No.
It's just too nice, air conditioned, having a good time, heck with a chainsaw.
Yeah,
right?
I'm allergic to a chainsaw.
Yeah, I am too.
Kind of like I am to a weed eater, shovel.
I see where this is going.
Nothing if it doesn't have a seat on it.
You like a seat, a cab, and banana pudding, and cheeseburgers.
And cheeseburgers. I think that was the best part of my day.
Other than hanging out with me, right?
Well, the fact that you bought the cheeseburger, that would topped it all off.
So instead of hanging out with me, right?
Well, you're saying it, man. No, seriously. I always enjoy getting together.
This is fun, man. I think it was cool having two like-minded people that know equipment and were working in unison, tag team, and we just kind of went.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
All the way around.
Yep. And I'm glad you got to see that, because that's something we show on our channel a lot, is it just how much fun it is to work together with somebody else on a project.
That was cool. Yeah.
I mean, you get more done than two individual people.
Oh, absolutely you do. Yeah.
And then we were able to talk to each other while we were doing it. It was a lot of fun.
The steel microphone headset.
Steel Advanced Procom is what those
Advanced
things are.
Procom. That thing's really cool because he and I are just having a conversation while we're digging and moving and
making fun of each other like always, right?
That's right. That's right. So, but look, the job is getting there.
We can see through to the other road now.
Exactly. So all that crap's gone, and
You need to bring your Ventrac with the tough cut in here.
yeah, clean that up a little bit.
Take that down. Maybe knock some of those limbs or get that whole cedar out of the way. It's not looking very good.
The whole cedar's gone.
Okay.
It's gone, and the driveway will actually kind of curve right around this tree right here. Well, you can imagine the middle of the driveway is going to kind of go right where that cedar tree is.
And you're going to be 2 lanes wide down here.
2 lanes wide, so I'm going that way. So a lot of that dirt will get used to kind of build up this left side, and of course I'll probably have to bring a little bit more in too.
Hey, that's fun too.
Yeah. But yeah, I'm tickled with the way it's turned out. So
thanks for inviting me out, Pete.
yeah, no, it's my pleasure. You welcome here anytime, man.
Kind of come up to Indiana?
Yeah, as long as it ain't wintertime, I'll come. So, 'cause I mean, it gets too cold, but I like to bundle
But
up.
you just told me how you didn't like it hot.
Well, I don't like it hot or cold. Maybe I'm a pansy.
I can relate.
Yeah. No. Yeah, we will definitely try to get up at some point in time and see Tim and visit his place. I think that would be absolutely fantastic. I would love to do that. Would love to.
You've got an amazing property here. 16 acres, right?
16 acres, yes, sir.
Oh,
It's a lot of work to happen out
this
here.
isn't work.
Well, it's a lot of fun that needs to happen out here to make it look like I want it to look. Because, you know, I kind of like that, whoo, wow, look at me type thing with my property. So I'm game. I'm up for it. So give it year and a half ish, you won't even recognize the place. You won't even know what
We'll come into the 3-story, 8,000 square foot home off in the distance there with 7-car garage, large swimming pool in the back.
That's the guy down the road.
Oh,
That's the guy, not me. He's talking about a different dude. Not me. So, but hey, we've had a blast. Lunchtime, tractor time with Tim, cab time, AC time. I call this AC work. You know what I mean? Because you get to work in air conditioning.
yeah.
It's hard to beat that. So, hey, check us out next go round. We'll get out here and do something else. As always, I appreciate you taking time out of your day to watch. I'll check you later.